He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows when you've been bad or good. So hold for effing sake. Oh, you better watch out. You better not sell. You better just buy. I'm telling you why. Cause DogeCoin dog is coming to town. I'm Matt Wallace, this is Final Stand, and welcome to your DogeCoin meme review, the show where I go over every single DogeCoin meme over the last 24 hours, every single one. Yes, it takes a lot of time, and I find the best ones, then show them here on this show, and review them, of course. So if you want to be on the show, just use DogeCoin, and I will see it. If it's good, I will use it. Leonardo DiCaprio, the wow of Wall Street. I mean, this would be a much better movie than The Wolf of Wall Street. Look at that. How could you not watch that? This is probably one of my favorite ones. My son Joey has always backed Doge. Here he was, trying to motivate DogeCoin about a year ago. He believed in Doge before Elon Musk voiced his support. I can't decide who's cuter, the baby or the dog. That is definitely me after a long day of editing videos while I'm trading DogeCoin. Just typing away. Hello trampoline, moon please. Shoop. How nice would that be? A squared equals B squared plus C squared. E equals MC squared. Very, very clever. F equals MA. Then, science is science. You cannot deny the science. 1 DogeCoin equals 1 DogeCoin. It's simple mathematics. It's simple science. Of all these four, though, it's pretty obvious this guy is the smartest. Imagine thinking $1 for DogeCoin is just a meme. February 2011, Bitcoin reaches parity with the US dollar. February 2021, DogeCoin reaches parity with the US dollar. Wonder what that means for the future. Perhaps some good things. Then we have another verified person talking about DogeCoin. DogeCoin is the kind of coin that changes people's lives. Oh yeah, I'm on board with that. I am on board with that. DogeCoin will be the next Bitcoin and will have a far better community. Well, there's no doubt, it already has a better community. The question is, will it be the next Bitcoin? Wow, so talking, such opinion, eloquently stated indeed. DogeCoin Super Mario. Boop, and the DogeCoin pops up instead of the normal coin. That would be a way better version of the game. Who wouldn't want to play that? That is gold. That is straight, pure gold puppy gold right there. I love that.